FuturED is an educational platform founded to contribute to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Technology is fundamental to democratize education and to make it accessible to everybody around the world. With education, we can ensure a sustainable world because we have more tools to take decisions that it's gonna impact in our world, not only for us, but as well for our communities. I have decided to become an entrepreneur because I think that is the best way in which I can make a positive contribution to the world in which we live in. Since we launched FuturED in April 2021, we became suppliers of educational content for the United Nations, and we work in close cooperation with various organizations and agencies within the United Nations system. Think twice before to proceed. Think smart. Don't let anyone to tell you that you cannot do it.